Hey y'all, this is Bree the Brat again. I have a Teacher Barbie from 1995. I am missing the Kelly student and maybe the chalk and the chalkboard eraser, but there is a chalkboard there. And here's Barbie, her original outfit. Isn't she cute? I love that little tie and the collar. And then Tommy, I'm not sure if this is Tommy, but little Tommy with his little shirt on and suspenders. Isn't he cute? And two little desks, one for Kelly, one for Tommy, or student number one and student number two. And here is this. It comes with a little clock, a chalkboard that flips around to be a geography board, but it kind of has this these little things that stick, so it's hard to turn around. There we go. I got it unstuck. Needed two hands. And then it has these little side things here. I don't know if you could see that, but little holes, so it fits really tight. So I'll just flip it back over, put it back in its place. And it has a little pencil sharpener thing here. Just kind of goes back and forth, but if you push on it, it makes a pencil sharpener sound. Isn't that fun? And it has just 3 things that it says, so.
Try it again. Try it again. Great job. Great job.
So, school's in session.
Try it again. Great job.
And there you go. It takes 3 AA batteries. And there it is. It came with these little pencils, I believe, and little notepads or calculators, but I don't have the calculators and notepads. Anyway, there it is. Good for homeschooling, I guess. Teacher Barbie. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.